Hello dear aspirants, welcome to my channel Rakshak. This is the first video, a brief introduction about me. I am Indra Prakash Bhatia, recently retired from Border Security Force as Deputy Inspector General after rendering 35 years of service to the nation. Before joining this job, that is in 1986, I would like to narrate about my academic qualification. I did BSc with first class, thereafter B.Ed and MA History from Punjab University. I had a short stint of 6 months in the public sector bankings, as well as I taught for 3.5 years science and English in a public school. Later on in 86, I was commissioned as assistant commandant, and roughly putting about 35 years of service, I have recently hung my uniform. During the course of this service, I served in the length and breadth of the country, and in 2016, when I was serving as Deputy Inspector General in Sector Headquarters Cooch Behar, I received a diary from one of the principal of the school, and in that diary, on its front page, it was written, "Nurture your talent." I had introspection and thoughts over in this thoughtful idiom, nurturing your talents. After 2 days, I decided that besides doing my job, I should also focus on giving education to the school children. Luckily, I had Kendriya Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School under me, whose I was functioning as chairman. So I started teaching science subjects and communicative English to the students as a part of philanthropy. It is my passion to read, write, and to educate the young ones. So, we would like to share with you that though very less time is left for Central Armed Police Force examination, Assistant Commandant rank, which requires lot of study, minimum study of 1 year. Through this video, we are bringing before you one of the important examinations of the country, that is Central Armed Police Force Assistant Commandant examination, conducted annually by the Union Public Service Commission. For this examination, roughly 3 lakh candidates submit their consent for appearing in the examination, out of which 1 lakh candidate appear in the examination, and this examination, which consists of 2 parts, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 is of 2 hours, multiple choice question. These questions are based on science, history, current affairs, general studies, government schemes, mathematics, economics, polity, and constitution. Paper first consists of 2 hours and it is of 250 marks. Similarly, paper second is of descriptive type in nature. It is of 3 hours. 4 essays are to be written in 300 words. These essays can be written either in English or in Hindi language. Besides essays, candidates will be examined for précis, comprehension, and grammar. So those candidates who qualify these 2 papers, they are tested for physical efficiency test, which is conducted by one of the nodal agency, which is appointed by the Union Public Service Commission. I would like to tell you that CAPF basically consists of 5 forces, that is Border Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Shastra Seema Bal, and Indo-Tibetan Border Police. These forces fall under Ministry of Home Affairs, and physical efficiency test shall be conducted by one of these forces, which will be decided later on. As I have learnt, roughly 3,000 candidates are called for this test. Currently, this examination is to be held on 8th of August 2021, and there are roughly 159 vacancies. In fact, I would like to stress upon the point that any candidate who has graduated with 50% marks can easily qualify this examination, provided he has a balanced physical fitness and mental robustness. Because aim of all these armed forces is to select dynamic, energetic youths who display leadership in the challenging circumstances. Dear aspirants, I would like to tell you that as it is a competitive examination, and by now you must have calculated that considering the vacancies of this year and 741 districts of the country, on an average, one candidate out of 5 districts shall be selected from the country. So, in my view, I will simply act as a catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst is a chemical which speeds up the chemical reaction without undergoing any change in its own composition. So therefore, you have to perform, you have to do, and I will be just your facilitator. If you are interested, kindly note down my WhatsApp number 8847004196. I repeat, 8847004196. First 20 shortlisted candidates shall be given free online coaching by me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Rakshak for more videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.